This is Derek from Baltimore. I'm doing this month's Loot Crate, August. And from what I've heard, it's supposed to be bad guys or something. I'm not 100% sure.
Anti-hero?
Anti-hero. Thank you, Jade.
Welcome.
So at least one of us will know. Alright, so first things off the bat, the box looks rather wicked. And the first thing that pops out is a shirt. It's this shirt for Archer. Right. Okay. Moving on. Next is a pair of socks. And I know exactly what these are. These are a replica pair of socks to look like the shoes from Kill Bill Volume 1. What I just picked up and moved was the pin. I'm going to pick that up later in a few minutes and show you guys. I didn't look at it, but here we go. This is interesting. This says it's a ceramic bank, the right hand of doom from Hellboy. And anyone that knows Hellboy knows his hand, his stone hand. It's got a rubber stopper, as in the bottom. Could hold a couple points, I could say that. I will set this here for right now. Next is a cardboard piece. What it's for, I do not know, but we will find that out in a second. Next is the pin. Oh, I know what this pin means because I read a little bit into it when I got the message. This pin allows me to do something. I'm not going to tell you. I'm not going to show you the website on the back or how to unlock it, but this allows me a 30-day free trial to WoW. If you see my face, you know that I'm not really a big fan of WoW. This next thing, my sister's been wanting. My sister's been dying to get one because ever since she heard this was going to be anti-hero, she already guessed who was going to be in it. It's her favorite character, Harley Quinn. The others.
That is awesome!
The other figure that Loot Crate would have given out is the Suicide Squad.
I like this one better.
So do I. Because this one is the classic with the mallet and the dearest and funniest hyena. Next is the book. Anti-Hero. It says Anti-Hero, a preview of Suicide Squad 1 Rebirth. Talks about the right-handed Doom. Cosplay at Anime Expo. Then it transforms into, oh my good God. Okay, before I read this, I'm going to give my sister the biggest surprise of all.
It's her gun, isn't it?
Huh?
It's her gun, isn't it?
No. It's far better than that. Ladies and gentlemen, my sister has not guessed it yet, nor has she realized what it's going to become. But I will not tell you until it's fully created. Knowing her, she's going to want both the figure and the box because of what it becomes. You go over there. You come this way. You get back open, and now you close. You close like that. This goes like this, and closes like that. This goes like this,
Are there instructions in the,
Yes, there is instructions in the book.
Okay.
You know what? That's what I'm going to follow. Got it. You slide in here, you little rubber. Thank you. And you slide into here. Just like that. Now.
Is it a bullseye board? I'm so confused.
You won't be in a second.
Is that a heart?
Nope.
I'm so confused.
Please pardon my clumsy fingers. I'm trying to make this properly so that way my sister can realize what it is.
I'm still kind of clueless.
I know you are.
I probably shouldn't be, but. Her hammer!
She now guesses what it's going to become.
Oh
It is her mallet. The very thing that she enjoyed from the original TV series.
Oh my goodness! That is so
It
awesome!
would work if I had it
Correct?
That's your phone, Jade.
Hello? Hold on 1 minute and I'll call you back. Okay. Bye. Love you too. Sorry.
This thing just doesn't want to
Cooperate.
Ladies and gentlemen, if I can close this up like it was.
Oh my god, that is so awesome!
The Loot Crate Mallet.
That is just so awesome.
Harley Quinn. Now, I know it's not fully like it was, but that's what the instructions does. Okay. Next thing. It's the history of Harley Quinn. The Sirens of the Squad. Archer shirt. In my personal opinion, I never really liked the Archer series. Like I said, the replicas, the socks that look like the shoes from Kill Bill, Volume 1. It also tells you how to create your own killer code name. It says take and choose your favorite color. It goes from red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, brown, white, black, gold, silver, and not listed. Then it says take the first letter of your first name. It lists off from A to Z. So my name will be Tree Python. Interesting. It next shows you the coin bank for Hellboy, and tells you the beginner's guide of the Hellboy universe. Then it gives you a recipe for Hellboy hot wings and anti-potato salad. Interesting. I will try them. Then it tells you the 30 days about WoW, the description you get. Then it also tells you about the Slam Crate. Every 2 months, if I'm not mistaken, if I remember correctly, you can get a crate from Loot Crate and WWE created. This is the prologue, not prologue, the preview of the reboot or rebirth for DC Universe for the Suicide Squad. Gives you a small comic, a taste of the comic. Then it tells you, you can also take and get your own subscription to the comics. Gives you a listing of each comic. It also tells you what was in the anime, what they gave out at the anime, a keychain, the anime box, first the signature of Emo. I don't think I pronounced that correctly, but I don't really care. And then it gives you the cosplays. Emo, Lightning from Final Fantasy 13-2, Ikuro, I think I pronounced that correctly. Then it gives you the Mega Crate, what was in that one, and I know my sister would have loved this one. I would have taken the 55-inch 4K ultra high def TV, but she would have taken the Harley Quinn Volume 1 Hot in the City comic. Then you had Joker's Land build, you got Toretto, meaning his entire movie series, including volumes 1 and 2 of Kill Bill. The Golden Army's Sideshow collectibles. The mini Mega Crate had a talking can opener and a backpack for Harley Quinn. Then you have the Halo Crate. And this featured people of Loot Crate. You got the Matrix puzzle, the RoboCop t-shirt, 2 gentlemen wearing the RoboCop t-shirt, another gentleman wearing the RoboCop t-shirt, someone taking and took a picture of their child with the David Bowie shirt from Labyrinth, and then you have someone taking a picture with the Dystopia ones. It takes and gives you a small listing of what's going to be going on. They're going to be at PAX. They're going to be doing a shield. They're also taking and telling you about For the Love of Spock. Hit theaters and on demand. Then the Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. preview, the premiere for the next season. The Magnificent Seven, Cage, and then another. Miss Paraga's Home of the Particular Children hits theaters September 30th. Then the content. Then this is what the back of the book and the front of the book do. Okay, now this is the end of this video, but I wanted to say you guys enjoy your time together, and my sister will be definitely enjoying her hammers. Both the crate and the figure. See ya.